Karen, and I head up Antidote Accounting and Bookkeeping Services. We're a relatively new practice, and one of the things we wanted to do before we started was research into what packages were available for accountants in the marketplace. What we really wanted was one package that would cover all of the practice needs so that we didn't have to duplicate work and use other systems. We settled on a package called Nomi. It's a great package. It has all the functionality of a finance system linking to HMRC and Companies House, but Nomi goes the extra mile. It has practice dashboards, a full CRM system, which includes client onboarding, contracts, and AML checks. It manages pensions, linking directly to pension companies for filing. It has an annual leave module with the payroll. It also has an app which our clients use for payroll approval, approving holidays, raising invoices, and uploading receipts. The support from the Nomi team is really great. We have Nomi chat, email, or telephone support. I would highly recommend Nomi to accountants and bookkeepers.